Hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is satellites. Satellites are objects that orbit around the celestial bodies such as Earth. They can be natural like the moon or artificial like thousands of human-made satellites in Earth orbit. Artificial satellites are used for various purposes including communication, transmitting data, voice and video signals around the world. Navigation, providing location information and timing signals for GPS and other navigation systems. Weather forecasting, monitoring weather patterns, storms and climate changes. Earth observation, studying the Earth's surfaces, oceans and atmosphere. Scientific research, conducting experiments and gathering data in spaces. Military, supporting military operations, surveillance and communication. Commercial, offering services like satellite TV, radio and internet connectivity. Types of satellites: low Earth orbit, orbited at altitude at around 160 to 2000 km. Medium Earth orbit, orbiting at altitude of around 2000 to 36,000 km. Next is geostationary orbit, which orbiting on an altitude of around 36 kilometer or above the equator. Polar orbit, orbiting over the Earth polar region. Sun synchronous orbit, orbiting in sync with the sun's position. Satellite technology has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, from communication and navigation to weather forecasting and scientific research. Here are some additional aspects of satellites. Launch and deployment. Satellites are launched into space using rockets and deployed into their intended orbit. Orbit maintenance. Satellites require periodic adjustment to maintain their orbits and ensure proper functioning. Ground control. Satellites are controlled and monitored from ground stations which transmit commands and receive data. Power and propulsion. Satellites rely on solar planets or nuclear reactor for power and use propulsion system for maneuvering. Communication protocol. Satellites use standardized communication protocol for transmitting and receiving data processing and analysis. Satellite data is processed and analyzed using specialized software and techniques. Application in various fields. Agriculture, crop monitoring, soil moisture and analysis, disaster response, damage assessment, emergency communication, environmental monitoring, climate change, ocean health, maritime, maritime. Maritime navigation, vessel tracking, urban planning, land use mapping, infrastructure monitoring. Future development, constellations of small satellites for global coverage, advanced propulsion system for implementary travel, in orbit assembly and manufacturing, quantum communication and encryption, challenges and limitations, space debris and collision risk, signal interference and jamming, orbit congestion and spectrum allocations, cybersecurity threats, international cooperation and regulation, United Nations Committee on Peaceful Use of Outer Space, International Telecommunication Union, Satellite Industry Association, and Standard Organization. These additional aspects highlight the complexity and breadth of satellite technology, from launch and deployment to application and future development. Here are some more aspects of a satellite. Satellite type: active and passive satellite, spin stabilized and three-axis stabilized satellite. Geosynchronous and sun synchronous satellite, polar orbiting and low Earth orbiting satellites. Earth components, payloads, instruments and sensors, bus, structure and electronic component, power system, solar panel and batteries, propulsion system, thruster and fuel. Satellite manufacturing, design and testing materials and constructions, integration and assembly, quality control and assurance. Launch option, expandable launch vehicles, reusable launch vehicles, air breathing engines and hybrid propulsions. Launch windows and opportunities, orbiting, raising and station keeping, orbiting adjustment maneuvers, station keeping techniques, gravity assist and slingshots in interplanetary transfer and trajectories. Satellite operation and control, ground control station and network, command and control system, data processing and analysis software, anomaly detection and response Satellite application in various industries: telecommunication and broadcasting, navigation and transportation, weather forecasting and climate monitoring, earth observation and remote sensing,